In this video, we're going to take a look at how to share a YouTube video on an Instagram story using the link option. This is super easy, and Instagram now allows anyone to share a link to any video found on YouTube or really just anywhere on the web. To start, let's find a video that you want to share to your story. Inside of YouTube, on the video page, under the player, tap the share icon. Next, select copy link. This will copy the link to the video to our clipboard. Now that we have that, we can head over to Instagram. On your homepage, tap the plus sign at the top and then choose story on the bottom. Take a photo or upload an image that you want to be the background of your story. On the next page, tap the sticker icon at the top and then search for link. Once you do, you'll get the add link page. Tap on the URL bar and then hit paste. It'll then paste the YouTube link that we just copied back in the app. You can customize the text if you want, maybe to say the name of the video for instance, or just hit done. You'll then see a YouTube link sticker has been added to the story. After that, you can edit the story or add whatever you want, like watch here text, maybe a YouTube sticker, whatever you want. When you're finished, tap the send button and the story will be posted. Now whenever someone views your story, they can just tap the link button and it'll take them right to the video on YouTube. And that's how you add a link to a YouTube video on your Instagram stories.